Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to hide following follower list on Instagram. Let's go. First of all, open Instagram account. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom. Once you are on this page, tap on these three lines at the top. Now scroll down. Tap on Account Privacy, and now turn on to Private Account. As you can see, I am on Business Account, so I cannot make this account private until I turn off Business Account. Now to make my account private, I will search for Business Control and Tools. Now scroll a bit. Tap on Switch Account Type and make it private. Once you are done, log out this account. Then log in into a new account. Now tap on search bar and find your ID. This is my ID, and when I click on following and follower, they're not showing follow and follow list because this account is private. That's how we can easily hide following and follower list. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.